Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the SD Access Lab. First of all, let's have a look about the staged lab that we have provided for you. Don't worry about if you have no idea about what is going on here, because this is a physical diagram. In this lab environment, we will need some hardware and resources. At the left side, there are 5 switches, and the yellow lines, they are the interconnections between the switches. And between the 3 and 4 and 1 and 4, there are 2 yellow dotted lines. These 2 lines are for spare connections. They are used for the suboptimal connection. In some lab environment, we need some spare connections. And during the normal situation, we will shut them down. And we will bring them up when required. And over here, this is a server. This is a DNAC server. It's nothing special, it's just a server. And at the right side, it is a server as well. It's a VMware vSphere. Actually, it is ESXi server. The reason we need this one is because in this lab, we need to create some resources, simulate the situation that bring the users on board. Testing the user privilege. It's not just carry out a pin testing. We need to test the policy as well, and authentication as well. Therefore, it's not just a pin testing can fully simulate this. We have built 3 PCs to simulate to bring the user on board. And the authentication type we implemented here is 802.1x. In addition, in the SDA lab, we need the Cisco ICE as well. Over here, this is the Cisco ICE. And this is a must-have for this lab. We also need some components as well. For example, DHCP, DNS, and NTP. These components are required while implementing the DNAC during the installation. In the Cisco document, they are the prerequisites for installing the DNAC. And the document tells you what kind of services you must have and what ports need to be opened. This one is CSR1000V. This is a router. And if you need the inter-VN communication or BGP, then actually you need a fusion router. And everything in this diagram, they are the components that we need for this lab. And after discussed this physical diagram, let's have a look about this logical diagram. In the logical diagram, at the up left side, this is the area for the servers. The servers for public services. This is DNAC, ISE, DNS, DHCP, and NTP servers. We have designed the IP scheme. For this area, it's 172.16. And for the REST devices, we designed a loopback interface for each of them. The IP address scheme starts with 172.17. The interconnections between these devices, we use IP address 172.18. For the end user, we assigned 172.19. This area for PC1, we use 172.19.1.0. For this area, PC2, we use 172.19.2.0. PC3, we use .3.0. And all of this information, we need to pre-stage them. And before the implementation, we need to have these design details ready. Okay, now we have everything about the design details. Let's start to create a site. Thanks for watching.